Alright, here is our fourth and last example from our notes today. We're looking at solving systems of equations with word problems. So another word problem here. This one's another travel problem. We got a couple different vehicles. So again, as we go through it, let's identify our variables, set up a system of equations, and then solve it whichever method looks the most convenient for you. So the indoor climbing gym is a popular destination. This year, the senior class at High School A and the senior class at High School B both planned trips there. The senior class rented and filled 8 vans and 12 buses with 664 students. High School B rented and filled 9 vans, 4 buses with 272 students. Every van had the same number of students in it as did the buses. Find the number of students in each van and each bus. So that just means that they basically completely filled the vans, completely filled the buses. This statement sounds kind of confusing. It doesn't mean vans carry as many students as buses, just that every van carries the same, every bus carries the same. Find the number of students in each van and each bus. Okay, so to me, natural variables here would be V for vans, B for buses. So let's set that up. So 8V plus 12B, and you could do lowercase, of course, upper, lower, it doesn't matter, equals 664 total students. So V represents how many students can ride in a van. B represents how many students can ride in a bus. So again, 2 variables, 2 unknowns, so we need a second equation. And so let's write that next equation. So the other high school had 9 vans and 4 buses for a total of 272 students. Okay, there's our 2 equations. Now at this point you can solve this any way you want. Again, maybe I'll just model elimination like I did in that last one because it sets up pretty nice. I could do it in a matrix real quick too. But I'll go ahead and run -3 through this bottom equation. That's going to make my b's opposite each other. So if I do -3 through that bottom equation, I will get -27b minus 12b, and this is going to be a bigger number here. Let me grab my calculator. So -3 times 272, and we get minus 816, so -816. Okay, so I hope this doesn't confuse you. I'm now going to add the first and third equations here. So remember, this third one I generated from here. So 8v minus 27v. So 8 minus 27, -19. So -19v. 12b minus 12b goes away. And 664 minus 816 minus 152. So minus 152. And now we want to get v by itself. So it's -152 divided by -19. Of course, divide that -19 over. So 152 divided by 19 is 8. Alright, so I know my vans will hold 8 students. And now we just need to figure out what our buses hold. And so let's go back to this original equation. So 8 times v, we know v is 8. So 8 times 8 plus 12b equals 664. 8 times 8 is 64. So 12b, if I subtract that over, equals 600. And so b looks like that's 50. Let me double check myself there. 600 divided by 12. Yeah, that's 50. Equals 50. So a bus will hold 50 students. Of course, we would expect that number to be bigger. So vans will hold 8 students. Buses will hold 50 students.